Hey pioneers, PI Network's second migration is coming, and if you are not prepared, you might miss your chance to migrate your PI tokens. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to make sure you're eligible and ready. Let's dive in. So open the PI Network app and navigate to Mainnet. Click on the Mainnet checklist, and after that, on the step 9, click on it and wait for it to show the form. So first thing you need to do is you need to verify your email address. So here we need to enter our email address that you own and trust. So this is used for account recovery, wallet confirmations, and migration approvals. If you use an email you can't access, you might fail migration or lose your account. Then here need to confirm the email address and then click the update. So the next thing you need to do is the liveness check. So need to first allow the PI network to access the camera for identity verification. So this is required for the liveness check to confirm you're a real person. So make sure your camera access is enabled and in your phone settings. Now, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. So first is you should have a good lighting, face fully visible, and then a stable camera position. So no audio is recorded. This is just to verify your identity. So when you're ready, just click the I'm ready button. And then once done, you need to wait for the approval. So this may take time, so be patient. So if verification fails, just check your settings and try again. Now I'm going to show you the process. So just make sure the camera is stable, the lighting, and then just follow the on-screen instruction. So just wait for your data to be uploaded, and then that's it. It will show you this message. And that's it, pioneers. You are now fully prepared for the second migration. Don't wait. Do these steps now to secure your PI tokens.